Welcome to Freightcom, your complete shipping platform. Ship by the parcel, package, or pallet. To get started, log in to Freightcom with your username and password. This is your quoting page. It's very easy to use. All you need to do is select package or pallet. Add pickup and delivery postal or zip codes. Next up, enter the dimensions and weight. Just below, you can add optional third-party insurance. And here, you can let us know if you require any additional services. Click Submit and review your live rates. Freightcom does the work for you, instantly providing a variety of carriers with discounted rates. Select your best option. Click Create Order to enter the shipping details. Just fill in the blanks. Confirm your rate. If you're booking a package shipment, be sure to schedule a pickup time. It's that simple. Click Submit Order and print off your label.